What's up guys, welcome back to Sky and Mike channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about an app called Premise. Yeah, Premise. You probably never heard of Premise because it's not that common, but now you know it's there. So I'm gonna tell you all about this real legit app that actually pays you real money. So first of all, I'm gonna talk about Premise. Well, what's Premise first? Well, Premise is a very simple app that you can use to earn money almost anywhere in the world, especially Africa, through doing simple tasks like what? Surveys, locating places, and going to places and answering simple questions about that area. So first of all, I'll talk about survey, how to earn money through surveys. Well, it's very simple. Just download the app. I'll provide the link in the Google Play Store, and you can go into the app, make an account quickly. It's very simple. Just put in your details. I won't go through that. It's very simple if you have a brain. And so surveys. How do you earn money through surveys? Well, very simple. Just go on the app, click on survey, choose a survey, answer, and you're done. Pretty simple. So that's how you earn. What about locating? Well, very simple. Just go in the app, go locate, choose a location which you probably find near your area, or you can go there right now, and do what the app tells you. It's very simple. It's not that difficult, unless you're chipmunk or something, like you're primitive. I don't know, but it's very simple. If you know how to read, they know that. Well, the app is free on the Google Play Store. You know that, so simple. And what else? Explore tasks. So in my location, I've never received an explore task. Well, probably because there's nothing to explore here, according to them, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, I've never received an explore task. But according to them, an explore task is simply going to the area. They give you a location, you go there, and you answer simple questions about the area that you've been taken to. So it's also pretty simple, obviously. Like, what's so hard about just going to an area? If you go underground or something, I don't know. But it's very simple. Yeah, that's how you earn money on Premise, and what Premise is simply about. So now, how do you withdraw money on Premise? Well, it's pretty simple also. Well, it actually depends on your location. In my location, which is Zambia, they can give you your money through MTN mobile money or MTN talk time, or mobile top up and all that. That's talk time. So it's pretty simple. It depends on your location. In other locations, maybe they offer their locations money receiving agencies or something, but in Zambia there are only two options. Yeah, of which is pretty fine with me. Yeah, well, there are also minimum thresholds for withdrawing on Premise, just like almost any other online money making business place you ever find on the internet. Well, so in Zambia, I'm not sure about other countries, but in Zambia, the minimum threshold for withdrawing money, actually like mobile money, is 300 kwacha. So you need to make 300 kwacha in your Premise app. You probably know where to find that, how far you are to that 300 kwacha if you downloaded the app. And for talk time, it's 90 kwacha. So ever since I downloaded the app about a month ago, yeah, I've made like 90 kwacha. But it never took me 30 days to make 90 kwacha. I just downloaded the app a month ago. I wasn't just that serious with it. So it took me about 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks to make that 90 kwacha. But I still wasn't that serious. I would skip some days. I would do answer some surveys on some days. I wouldn't go and locate some places on some days. But it'll take you an average of 2 weeks to make a 90 kwacha on the app if you're not that serious. But if you're super serious, it can even take you 1 week, only 1 week to make a 90 kwacha on the app, or less. Yeah, depending on your location, obviously. So if you're in a desert or something, obviously you can't make that money in that. So it depends on how many tasks are available in your location. But where I am, it can take me just 1 week to make a 90 kwacha if I'm that serious. So here, as you can see, I withdrew like 80 kwacha talk time. Yeah, you can see here. The screenshot is here. Yeah, so simple, very simple. You can earn money on the app. It's very legit, guys. Let me even show you right now. Here you can see there's like, I don't know, 30 kwacha talk time remaining, all spent on bundles. Yeah. And it's very simple. It's a very simple app. The link for the app is in the description, or you can simply just search Premise on the Google Play Store. Very simple, and you can get the app. So this app will obviously not make you rich. Obviously, it won't make you rich. It's just to earn some few kwachas on the side, just some pocket money or something. It's an app that you can just use in your free time. Like you have some free time, go and capture some things, answer some surveys. Surveys are very short, just takes an average of like 3 to 4 minutes. If you've answered the survey before, it can even literally take you 30 seconds to answer it. Yeah, very simple. Locate tasks depends on where the location is, but it's pretty simple. The app is very easy to use to earn, side kwachas, some money to buy, just talk time or an extra pen for school. Yeah, so yeah, it's a very simple app to use, guys. So I recommend you download Premise if you want to make some, just some pocket money change on the side in your free time, but it will obviously not make you rich. Although there are some apps, or rather websites, that can make you rich, that I know about, but it's not a video for today. I'm also experimenting with those, so I'll get back to you another day about those. So for now, I recommend you download Premise if you're in Zambia, Ghana, whatever other African country. It's mostly in Africa where it's being used and where they want the information, and it's very simple. Yeah. So what I can say about Premise, some pros and cons about it, just a few ins and outs about Premise. I'll start maybe with the pros of the app. Well, the pros is very simple to use. Obviously, it's the simplest app, I'm telling you guys. Very simple to use, not that difficult to understand. Another pro is that you can easily receive money. It literally takes about 2 to 4 minutes for you to receive your money to your mobile money or talk time, depending on what you withdrawn. Very easy. It's also very fast. That's another pro. Another pro is that it's available in almost every African country, if not all African countries. It's available because this channel is mostly for Africans. And another pro is that it's a very small app. It doesn't take 50 GB of your phone storage. It's just very small. Another pro, zero investment. You don't invest anything in the app. You just simply download the app. Even if you have zero kwacha in your pocket, you can start earning money with the app, as long as you have bundles. If you don't have bundles, I don't know how the heck you are. Yeah, download the app. Another pro. Okay, I'm out of pros. Yeah. Now let's see the cons. The cons here, it would obviously won't make you rich. Another con, sometimes the places they want are not available in your area, and that's very irritating. Another con, let's see, the explore tasks are very rare, of which they are the most paying. Another con, yeah, you know what, I'll make the pros and cons video another video. Otherwise, this was a simple introduction about the app. Yeah, so it's a very simple app, guys. This was just an introduction to the app, and just like a testimony that it's actually legit. That 90 kwacha talk time. So the next target is now to reach a 300 kwacha and see that 300 kwacha come through mobile money, and then then the app is fully legit. Yeah, it's excellent. Yeah. So if you like the music in the background, well, it's from a very fantastic artist out there. His name is Caleb. You can check out his channel, Caleb's Art there. He's a very fantastic artist. He really likes drawing cars and all that. Yeah, you can check him out. I like his music. And if you like this video, like. If you didn't, you can dislike. Don't really care. Subscribe to the channel for more videos about money making, all that. And thanks for watching. Peace. bye.